Happy Thanksgiving, guys. I can't even believe that it is the holidays, and I wanted to jump on here real quick and talk about time. I swear the older I get, the quicker and the faster time goes by. And time has become very important to me, and I just don't have enough time because I have a day job. So, all these years I look back and we are just programmed to go to high school, go to college, get this career, which I did. However, I've spent most of my time with my coworkers at a job, not with my family. And here I am, I'm getting ready to turn 52 next week. And I'm like, I need more time. I cannot spend the next 10 to 15 years, putting in, time at a job. So I decided to do something different. I decided to be, an affiliate marketer who promotes products for a business or a company. And in return, you earn a commission. It has been a journey for me. I've learned a lot. It hasn't been the easiest path, but I have to keep in mind, when I went to college, it wasn't easy then either. I had to take the time to learn the skill and apply those skills I learned. So guys, I'm just talking to you. Step back, look at where you're at. Where do you want to be in 5 years? Is it worth, working hard, learning a new skill to change your future, to get more time freedom? If you guys are on the fence, I'm here to let you know, I'm here to help you. And it is time to change your life. It's time to change our life because we only have one. And I want to live the life of my dreams, and I want you to live the life of your dreams. So if you're on the fence, guys, let's make some changes. Let's put the hard work in, put our heads down for 6 months, because I promise you, if you do, 6 months, 12 months from now, your life is going to look totally different if you invest in yourself and you change things up and get that time freedom back.